Steaming with Sweetness, your guide to baking flan in a steam oven. Flan is a versatile, delicious baked custard that can be made with a variety of flavors, and your steam oven makes it especially easy to bake since no water bath is needed. Now, water baths are an ingenious invention because they temper the heat so that delicate foods can be baked without curdling. However, the same effect can be created in your steam oven using the combination convection and steam mode set to a low temperature. The ideal temperature will be between 200 to 220 degrees. If your oven is on the smaller side, then you definitely should use the lower temperature because smaller cavities will cook faster. Now, since Valentine's Day is just around the corner, I'm making a chocolate flan that makes a lovely special occasion dessert. Chocolate flan is still made with a caramel topping that is poured into the flan dish before the custard is added. Since it doesn't take too long to make the flan, I'm actually going to get my steam oven heated and ready to go. It will take about 15 minutes for the caramel to reach the perfect amber color. And while it's best not to stir the caramel while it cooks, it is a good idea to brush down the sides of the pan with water to wash down any crystals that form. When the caramel is ready, immediately pour it into the baking dish and set it aside. Meanwhile, whisk the eggs, sugar and vanilla with the salt in a large bowl and set those aside. Now you're going to combine the milk, cream and cinnamon sticks over a moderate heat and bring the liquid almost to a boil. As soon as bubbles begin to form, test the temperature, and if it's warm or hot, remove the milk from the heat right away. You don't want it to boil. Discard the cinnamon sticks, and now you'll stir in the bittersweet chocolate. Finally, it's time to slowly combine the chocolate with the egg mixture and pour it into the prepared baking dish. Even though I could place this baking dish directly on the oven rack, I actually find it's much easier to place the baking dish in the perforated pan, and that makes it much easier for me to place it in the oven and to remove the oven. So into the oven the flan goes. I'll set the timer for 30 minutes to determine if it needs additional cooking time. However, there will be no instant happiness with this dessert, as it first needs to chill for about 4 to 6 hours before we can enjoy it. Long story short, flan is always best made early in the day or the day before you plan to eat it. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.